Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Eye from Oshi No Ko. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. From there, let's go ahead and make them draw so cute eyes. But today we're going to do a little bit different. I'm going to start with a, instead of a circle, I'm going to start with a star. Let's see if this works. I'm going to try my best to fit in this star right here. And then a circle. Because in her eyes, there's actually a star. So I was just thinking maybe we could just try that today. And a curved line at the bottom. And just like usual, we're just going to shade in the top. If you don't think that looks good, just put in a circle. But I thought we'd just give it a try today. And lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Just going to start with a star. And then a circle. And a curve. Maybe this would be our new Draw So Cute eyes. There. Not too bad, right? Now that we have that in, let's spruce them up. I'm going to come to the sides right here and I'll just flick out 2 curves. And then over here, maybe 3. The center one's the longest. And same thing here. Just trying to make it a little bit more anime. So longest one in the center and then the shorter one. There. And then her brow, so let's come straight up about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft angle line over her eye. And same thing right across, about right here. There. And then for her mouth, we're going to draw a curve, say about right here, for a smile. But today I'm also going to change it up a little bit. Draw a curve, and then about right here, stick out a curve for a tongue. There. Okay, so from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, about right here, right next to these lashes, and give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and start with my bottom of a U. But I'm just going to try angle it a little bit more. I'm going to go around the eye, and then find my center. So say about right here is where I want her chin. Just kind of imagine, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring a curve in. So I'm going to try to make it a little bit sharper for her chin. Bring that right in there. So definitely turn your body or your paper to help you draw this curve a little bit easier. There. Okay, so I have my angles in, her face in. Then from there I need to start, let's see here, start with her bangs. So I'm going to come to the top right here, nice and high I guess. So I need to draw her bangs. So I'm going to come about right here, give myself a point. And from here I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. And then it's going to part there. So in this area I'm going to start with some strands. Hit her brow, go up, and then in the center, zigzag, go up, and then back up to hit her brow. I'm trying my best to not make it too complicated, and one more. So whatever space you have left, just connect it for her face. There. Okay, so now from there, I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve, and here as well. So then for the top of her head, we're going to go up nice and high. So just kind of imagining her bangs right here. And so I'm just going to break it up a little bit. and come down, but I'll stop right there because there's this bow I need to draw, right? So let's find our center first. Go up, another layer right in the center, and we're going to go up on this side and up on that side, and then we're going to bring this down. So we're just drawing another layer of her hair, but I'm going to stop right there. And then, so in this area, we need to, if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish these curves so you kind of have a, you know, where to put the bow. But I'm going to stop, so I'm just imagining her hair, and I'm going to turn, and about right here in this area, I'm just going to start with this big, kind of like ovalish shape for the head of the rabbit. And then I'm going to go up, get a little space for the ears. There. Now I'll just come in here real quick, 2 little eyes and a smile. It's so small, but I just have to make sure it looks like a rabbit. And then from there, I'm just gonna put in some of these details right here. Trying my best not to make it too complicated. And then there's these 2 red bows are important, so I'm going to pop those in there. And there's even something in here too, so I'll just add a little curve. And then there's these 2 bows, 2 tails that come down, and 1 more that I'm just going to kind of tuck in here. There. Okay, so hopefully I haven't complicated it too much. You can kind of see what's going on. Okay, so then whatever space you have left, just finish off the head there. And then let's see, I'll continue the hair later. Let's work on the body first. So I'm going to come to the center and give her a little neck, and then bring it down. And then about right here, just go ahead and draw a curve. And so I'm going to stop about right there. Usually I would come down and draw a shoulder, but today I need to come up right here and just pop out a curve, kind of where her shoulder would be. So same thing here for her outfit. So I'm just going to draw a curve. From there, I'm going to come right here and just draw 1, 2, 3. Then go up again, just like the other side. And we need to draw this ruffle part on her outfit. So I'm going to come right here. Now it's pretty even, and I'm just going to wobble my way down, nice and low. Same thing here. Go all the way down, and then I come to the center. Just make it a little bit more even and connect. And the little details right here. And then let's come back to about right here, where her armpit area would be. And bring in an angle line for her body. Then bring it in, round it off, and connect. Then let's draw her waist. Come in again and connect. So taking it step by step, little pieces by pieces. And then right here, we're going to start and poof out this skirt. I'm going to make it really poofy so I don't have to draw too much of her hand. And so about right there, let's bring it down just a little bit. Now that we're even on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. So notice I'm just going at a curve and go right back up. So another layer, I'm going to come down. And so same thing, about the same level. And once again, go all the way across. And then one more level. So this level is a little bit shorter. And same thing. Just to simplify it. Okay, there, finally done with her skirt. And you can come in here, draw a bunch of lines if you like, or you can do this when you're coloring. So it's not such a harsh black line, but I just kind of want to show you. Okay, you know what? I'll just leave it before I mess it up even more. I'll do it when I'm coloring. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs. So I'm going to have her standing apart. So let's find my center about right here. This is my center, so right about here and here. I'm going to draw 2 little angle lines. And then I'm going to use that as my guide. So I'm just going to draw a little bit and then come right here and cut it off. She has these thigh-high boots and cut it off. Then let's work on this side. So I'm still coming down at an angle. I'm just popping this out. So I just go straight down. And I'm creating this thin ankle. As I come down to about right there, then I'm going to flare it out for the foot. Flare it out and then connect. There. So same thing on the other side. Just to simplify it. But we're still, remember, we're continuing at the same angle. Right there, and then flare it out for the foot. And connect. There. Okay, so then now finally we can draw the arms. So imagine her shoulders coming down and about right here. We're going to pop out her hands. I'm going to bring it in, kind of where her waist is, and then flare it out. So that's why I drew her skirt very poofy, so that we can just kind of cheat a little bit and not have to draw her too many details for her hands. So same thing here, just imagine coming down, curve in a little bit towards the waist, and then flare out. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then from there we can finally, oh, actually, you know what? There's a bunch of details. I'm going to come right here in the front here and draw a heart. And then I believe it has like wings or something like that. So I'm just going to, hopefully you can see without all these, because it's so small. And then there's a star. 3, I'll put 3 stars. And 1 here. Getting lazy. I should angle my body. So let's see. For the stars, drawing some lines for some details here as well. And let's see. Now we can finally work on her hair. So let's bring this down. And we're going to bring it all the way down to about right here. We're going to come in a little bit and then flare it out. So we'll make it nice and long. So say about right there, put in a strand. And zigzag. 1 more and then bring it in. So same thing over here, about right here. So pop this out a little bit more so it doesn't get in the way. And once again, same thing. Maybe on this side we can make it a little bit more dramatic. Maybe a strand here. Another strand there. And bring it in. And end it. There. Just to give it some movement. And you can come here, some detail, and here as well. And we can even add a strand here if you like. Just kind of pop it out. just to give her hair a lot of movement. And then lastly, one very important strand right about here. This is where it's clipping. So I'm going to come right here and draw a strand coming out and zigzag there. And I believe that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Ai from Oshi No Ko. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today and that I didn't overcomplicate it. And if you love how it turned out, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.